line. Just show your personality. Personality! Just show your personality with the colors that you've chosen. From Davis.
The chapter exemplifies what we are trying to do in the industry. You're very organized, you're very innovative, very creative. So that's actually yun yung nasa logo namin, di ba? Paint Reinvented. So yun yung parati namin. Parati kayong binibida ni Miss Joji. Ano ba, inaanak? Parang ganun.
Anak niya kami.
Or anak ba? Yeah. So personally, I've heard a lot of things about you. And again, congratulations for your, yun nga, nung nag-present kayo sa amin, parang galing 25th GMM. Nabibilang nyo pa yung GMM. So that's how organized. It's a testament of course, the members and of course, the leaders of your organization. Again, thank you for always having us to be part of your celebrations, of your event.